Cough medicine during pregnancy. Cough medicine for pregnant women that have proved beneficial and safe are plain Robitussin, Mucinex, and Vicks VapoRub. It is often said that one should not suffer from any respiratory illness such as common cold or cough during pregnancy. This is because the medicine that one uses for treatment can influence the baby's health. Pregnant women are extremely worried to take any medicine as they are concerned about its effects on the baby. Their concern is indeed feasible, as it is observed that certain medications used for the treatment for cough can harm the fetus. Cough. As we all know, coughing during a lung infection is the body's way of throwing out the accumulated mucus in the respiratory tract. In such cases, buying a medicine that contains an expectorant can help to expel the built-up mucus in the lungs. On the other hand, dry cough is treated with a medication containing suppressants that are known to suppress the cough. Cough medicine during pregnancy. Some are the medications found to be reliable during pregnancy. Robitussin. When it comes to relieving cough during pregnancy, Robitussin is a trusted brand. Robitussin is commonly recommended by doctors and pharmacists to reduce cough in pregnant women. Depending upon the cough syrup strength, different ingredients have been added. However, to be on the safer side, doctors often recommend cough medicine that contains only one ingredient. So, go for Robitussin plain, as the only ingredient in it is dextromethorphan, which assists to suppress the cough. This ingredient has been analyzed carefully in laboratories and found to be safe for consumption in pregnant women. Studies show that pregnant women taking dextromethorphan in the right dosage does not cause any birth defects. Pregnant women suffering from dry cough can take this medicine. Mucinex. This is yet another FDA-approved medicine that can provide a considerable amount of relief from chest congestion during pregnancy. This is one-ingredient medication and contains guaifenesin. Guaifenesin is basically an expectorant that helps in thinning mucus secretions, which can be easily expelled through coughing. Hitus. This cough medicine is available in a capsule form and also helpful to bring down the cough. It contains only guaifenesin, which can relieve the discomfort associated with unproductive cough. The accumulation of sticky mucus in the lungs as a result of cold or flu causes chest congestion. The guaifenesin ingredient in Hitus is quite effective to thin the mucus, so that it can be coughed up easily. Vicks VapoRub. Well, this cough medicine is not a syrup nor an oral tablet. It is available as a topical ointment and one has to simply apply it on chest to lessen coughing. It contains medicated vapors that help to relieve cough. Vicks VapoDrops is also a useful remedy for cough and sore throat. Caution. Always keep in mind these cough medications, which provide temporary relief, have to be used for a maximum of 2-3 days. Using it for a longer duration is certainly not advisable. Also, these are over-the-counter cough medicines and can be purchased without prescription. However, consulting the doctor is extremely important, so as to know the exact dosage of these medications. It is observed that taking cough medication that contain antihistamines or iodine are not safe in pregnant women. Even prescription cough medicines contain either dextromethorphan or guaifenesin. On the whole, remember that the overdose of any cough syrup can cause health problems in the unborn baby. So as a precautionary measure, one should first contact a healthcare provider to know which cough medicine is FDA approved and safe during pregnancy.